freestyle entertainment. You hear what I say to her, that I'm in love with that good shit, sincerely to you. I don't know what I'd do without you, it's true. You do a lot of shit for this nigga, it's true. Boo boo, don't cry, dry your eye. I'm coming out there, not in the sky. I'm coming, I swear. I'm a ratchet guy, but I ain't no liar. Yes, in this motherfucking studio, that's where I be. Trying to get to be where I want to be, so we don't have to struggle, not need for a thing, you know. I'm on the motherfucking flow. It sounded good too, you like it, Bobo? I miss you, just wanna kiss you. If you cry now, bitch, here go a tissue, yes. I'm the best in the West, coming from the corner, that's the truth shit. LBT, Vanport Street, where I be, stomping in these motherfucking streets, so yeah. Why you gotta go there? You know I love you, your mama and your brother. Yeah, whole family. I love my kids, you see. Elijah, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Jacqueline, I'm on fire. I know you want your daddy stop being ratchet, that's your desire. But anyway, my name is Stay, and your dad day, okay. So here we go, baby. Freestyle, that's me now. You hear how this shit in the sound, it's gon' go blow, yeah. Fuck a nigga who hatin'. Press the like and subscribe, that would be great, man. Yeah, if you say so. I'm coming from the top of the head, bro, where the hair grow. You the weirdo, you don't even know. I'm about to blow, get it then. About to blow like a dick, see the skin. Circumcision, shit, precision on this motherfucking track. I get lonely at night, that's a fucking fact. Gotta sleep with the pillow between my legs, cause my bitch ain't in the bed to give me no head. Heard what I said, this is the Ratchet show. Nigga, it's time to go. But you know what, I'ma leave you with a little bit of this jam. And then if you like it, move your legs, get the dancing bobblehead on the beat like a track. Motherfucker, press the like or subscribe, that's a fact. But don't fuck with me, nigga, cause help, I ain't got no company. But I'm the manager, the producer, the artist too. Motherfucker, the hardest worker out here on the ground, fool.